Day 361, meditation on practicing Buddhism. The goal of the practice is not to obtain miraculous powers, but to transform our being. The main problem is that we are not ready to devote the necessary time to this. We know that the Buddha needs eons, and yet we imagine that for us 2 or 3 years will suffice. That is why, in my view, the Mahayana path is indispensable. Once we have a good knowledge of this path, if we have a growing interest in Vajrayana, we will then have enough determination to follow it, even if it takes 3 eons. Armed with courage of this kind, we will be able to practice Vajrayana as a means of instilling mental calm and a profound insight quite effortlessly, and we will have every chance of succeeding. Words to meditate on, practicing Buddhism. It is all intent, baby. Doesn't matter how long it takes. Enjoy the journey.